Install mortise. Take off the battery case cover screw and take out the battery box. And then take the mortise cable to the handle hole. Fix the mortise with screw and put in the battery. Handlebar should horizontal insert through the mortise from inside. Install front handle, connect the cable. Align the handle. Insert the connection cable of the sensor head into the Maritz. Be careful not to pinch the wires. Insert turnpiece handlebar. The deadbolt turnpiece needs to be held upright. Assemble the inside lock mechanism with the rear handle. Securely fasten the two screws. Install the rear handle and align its square hole with square shaft of the inside lock. Tighten the handle plate screws. While pressing the latch of the mortise to prevent it from extending, and then turn the inside lock knob. And then test deadbolt. Note, need to close the door so that can extend deadbolt. When testing, compress the anti-insert latch simulates the state of the door being closed, then lock the deadbolt. Test Mechanicac key open. Need to loose the front handle cover screw to test. Test reading card. Installation finished.
Nice.